Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 taskbar when it is not working or not responding. Follow each step slowly and pause the video if needed. First, go to an empty area on your desktop. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. From the menu, click on Personalize. This will open the Windows Settings page. Scroll down and click on Taskbar. Next, scroll down until you see the taskbar behaviors. Look for the option called Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Make sure this option is turned off. If it is already off, turn it on, wait a few seconds, and then turn it off again. Close the settings window and check your taskbar. If the taskbar is still not working, move on to the next step. Now press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys together on your keyboard. This will open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a small view, click on More Details at the bottom. Look through the list of running processes and find Windows Explorer. When you find Windows Explorer, right-click on it. From the menu, click Restart. Your screen may flash for a moment. This is normal. After Windows Explorer restarts, your taskbar should return to normal and start working again. This method fixes the taskbar issue for most Windows 11 users. Thanks for watching.